Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on the 17th of June, 2025. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room. This is a trade taken in the room, either by myself or other traders in the room. So here we go. What's the setup? We have multiple failures on the way down. So back-to-back failures at a certain level. There are Fibonacci reasons for this. We failed to close twice. Twice we failed to close ABC pattern short. And we get this beautiful um, strong candle going in the opposite direction. So again, we're using the Samurai Day Trading strong candle indicator, and wherever it's pointing, that's the direction we're going to trade. So we're going to wait for the next candle to push back down, fail again, and then we're going to put our order on the body of the candle and see how far it can take us. Now, PVO is the movies, the volume's been pretty good today, so we're anywhere between 100 and 120 ticks long. So I'm going to use the ATM. That may be a bit much, hundreds and 200s. So I think we're going to choose a different one today. Just a slightly smaller one. We'll go for 50s and 100 right here. So that's what we'll do. So we're going for 2 times 20s, 1 times 50, and 1 times 100. Let's see how it goes. Excuse me. All right, let's put the trade on. First of all, we'll put a cover order on over top the candle. If it runs without us, it's a pretty long wick. I don't really like putting a cover order on this one, but I'm pretty sure we'll get a pullback before. There we go. There's the pullback. So let's put the order on. We haven't gotten picked up yet, but I'm not sure that's the end of the retrace. There we go. All right, we're gonna have to do the sweat a little bit, but that's all right too. We need our first thing we do is put our stop where it belongs, and then wait for our first target to be taken out. Once our first target's taken out, you see our stop gets reduced to a break-even position, and then we just see if we can get the runners to go 50 and 100 ticks to the high side. We can speed it up now that we're in the trade. 4 times is about as much as we need to go. Now, if it does take us out at break even, we need to get another trade ready so we can put it back on. Now, if it takes me out at break even, I can put another order back on and we'll get back in. Just because it takes me out at break even just means that the sellers haven't finished what they're doing going short and we'll get picked up again. Now, I better slow this down to make sure we get picked up on all contracts. Come on, darling. Now that what we just experienced there was a hedge. If this just wanted to plow short, great. Then we're out at break even, and I have a chance to get back in to the same deal. So now we'll speed it up again. Again, last 10 seconds went crazy. So if 20s and the hundreds or 20s and 50s are out, we can leave our stop where it is, or we can move it out. We're trying to get to our 100 tick target. That is a 4-hour level. We can take it out there if we want, take our 70s, 75s and go home, or we can stick it out and see if we get a 100 tick target out of it. You can, if you want to lock in your last one, go underneath the current candle. That way, if it does come back against you, you'll lock in 40s. But we'll leave it go. And really close to our target right now. And boom, it's out. Now that took a little bit longer than most trades that we do. That took a little over 8 minutes to complete. It was worth $1,010. So if you want to learn how to make $1,010 in about 8 minutes, Come and join us in the US Close live trading room. That's samuraidaytrading.com, samuraidaytrading.com, and we look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. God bless you, and we look forward to next time.